Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh.
Happy Monday. Today is a work day for me, and I am in the process of getting ready to go to the post office. And then I'm working from home today, so I can kind of dress how I want to dress when I'm working from home. So that's one of the good things about that. But unless I have a customer and I have to meet them at the office, then I switch up clothes or whatever. But anyways, I am in the process of going to the post office. And then after the post office, I'm going to get a pedicure today. So I will catch you guys along the way. I don't really have anything planned for the day. I am in good spirits this Monday morning. Well, actually it's Monday afternoon, and all is well. I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday season, and I send many blessings to you, and I will talk to you in a few. Peace. To go and find out about my car, why it's sounding like this, maybe get an appointment. It just sounds so weird. I mean, really, I want to unplug that thing. You know, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, but what happens is if you want to go down on your auto insurance, they will let you do a they will let you put a monitor on your car to kind of gauge where you're going, if you're going late at night, are you making any sudden quick stops or things of that nature. And ever since I put that thing on my car, that is why my car has been driving like this, you know. I don't understand. But I'm going to go to the post office, and then I will go by and try to get an appointment booked so they can check things out. I don't like this. I don't like driving like this. My guy pretty much said that the reason why was because of the oil or something that they were using in my car. So he's probably right, but he knows how to change oil and do all this different stuff. So yeah, so I haven't done anything to my hair. I'm still looking like I'm in high school, but my hair was still wet this morning when I took it down and touched the inside of it. So I guess when I get home, I will just let it all down or finish blow drying it. I hate to use a blow dryer, but I don't know. I might have to. I want to go ahead and take care of it and get something done to last me through the holidays so I don't have to worry about doing it. So, okay, y'all, I will catch you guys in a few. Peace.
Personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me.
Okay, YouTube. Okay, I have made it to the nail spa. I'm about to go in here and get my feet done. I finally stopped by the car dealership and scheduled an appointment, and they're gonna have to keep my baby overnight. I really don't like leaving my car overnight, which means I need to kind of clean it up a little bit, even though they clean it up. But I still have some little personal things in here that I need to probably take out, that I don't want people touching, like my mail and different things like that. So anyways, guys, I'm fixing to go in here and get me a good massage and get my feet done and just relax, and I will chat with you guys in a minute. Deuces.
Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place.
Come on, little man on your motorcycle. I have not had anything to eat all day. I grabbed the potato things that I made last night. I ate maybe 2 pieces of those this morning. But I have a taste for a sub. I want Subway. I really like Firehouse, but there's no Firehouse in this area. So I should go get me, I think I'm gonna go to Popeyes and get the chicken box. Oh, great. Come give me love. Oops. Come on, Kari. What you gonna do? I mean, people can be, ooh, child, I'm finna get back into that state. Sometimes, ooh, folks. I think I'm gonna get, I don't know. I want some green vegetables, I know that. I should have just got chicken and not no side, because I really don't like red beans and rice. Mainly the rice. Come give me love, baby. I found this Bath and Body Works. Guys, have you ever tried this You're the One Bath and Body Works? It smells so good. I love it. My cousin bought me this little set for my birthday. It smells really nice. I'm glad I got something to eat because I don't have to cook today. Go home and finish working. I'm smiling because I finally made it home. I feel like I've been gone all day long. So, anyways, I am just touching bases with you guys again before I close out this vlog for the day. I did, like I said, I did get my toes done. So I decided to do something more on the Christmas theme. I didn't want red because I have red all the time. I wanted something different and I didn't want blue. So the only other color I could go with was the white to match my tree. My tree isn't really white. It's actually green. The lights just make it look white. But I went with the white and I like it. I like it. I hope Mr. likes them. He don't really pay attention to my feet like that. Yes, he does. He grabs my feet all the time. But anyway, so just wanted to touch bases with you guys and let you know that I really appreciate you all. I appreciate the views. I appreciate the thumbs up. I wish I could get more thumbs up. But I'm new to YouTubing and I'm not going to be in the business of begging people to like my videos, but I am going to say I appreciate the ones who do. I do plan on doing some type of surprise giveaway when I reach my first 1,000, my 1K. Hopefully that'll be soon before the holidays end. Anyways, guys, so I got a lot accomplished today, but I unfortunately have to go back to work because I didn't really do everything that I needed to do today. But tomorrow I'll be a little bit more productive. And hopefully I can bring a little bit better content to you guys. I'm going to have a surprise guest. One of my friends is coming into town to celebrate some of the Christmas holidays with me so we can hang out a little bit and just do some little fun things. I miss her. I haven't seen her in a minute. So she'll be here to spend some time with me. So guys, I'm going to get out of here and I will see you guys tomorrow. And until then, I will catch you on the next go.